Today's day 23 and there's 3 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making 3-ingredient cookies with a chocolate glaze. First in my bowl I'm going to add 1 box of chocolate cake mix. Next I'm going to add 1 container of whipped topping. And I'm going to mix that up. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix that up until everything is combined. Next I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop out the cookies, and then I'm going to bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to make the chocolate glaze, so I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar, then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of milk and mix that up until it's smooth. Now that the cookies are cooled, I'm going to ice and decorate the cookies. First I'm going to take a spoonful of the chocolate glaze and spread it on the cookie. Next I have some stocking and trees chocolate chips that I'm going to put on the cookies. And I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the cookies. Here's an up-close look of the finished cookies.